It's been a nightmare for the past many weeks now because we would get distressed calls, people asking for drugs, the drugs that are being used to treat COVID, many of them without empirical data of its success. So, remdesivir and ivermectin, people asking for plasma. A lot of people have been amplifying the messages of plasma donation, which is something that the Indian Council for Medical Research is now taking a relook at and perhaps taking it out of the protocol because there's very little, in fact, empirical data, scientific data to point out to its success at this rate. People asking for oxygen supplies, oxygen cylinders, concentrators, ICU beds in hospitals. Those are the kind of SOS calls that we have all been flooded with at several levels for the past many days and weeks. A lot of this transmission is moving from the metropolis and from the national capital region, the bigger cities, to the smaller cities or the rural areas where people do not have the tech tools maybe to amplify their calls for desperation. But as far as the big cities are concerned, with the lockdown and with the government putting its house into slight order, things do seem to be recovering. For the moment, it's a sense of cautious optimism.